from and what are your plans for the weekend?
We're from Zagreb, and this weekend I'm going to go to one birthday party from my friend. And you?
I'm going to study and go out with my friends.
From Berlin, from Germany.
We are from Hungary.
We're from Hungary.
So we're from Hungary. We just arrived today from Budapest. And yeah, we're here on a family trip.
So basically we're from Austria and we're here in Trieste today because it's her 20th birthday, so 2 years and 4 months. So that's the reason why we're here, to explore the city.
Today we just sat in the sun, had some ice cream. Yeah, it's a very dog-friendly city. We discovered so many dogs around here. That was nice to see. Yeah.
We are from Ljubljana and we are here for a photo festival.
I'm from Germany, from Bielefeld. It's in the middle of Germany, and we stayed here for 5 days, and yeah, it's a really nice town.
From Croatia. Yes.
And what did you see here?
We are just here for one afternoon. We are staying in Umag in Croatia, so we just wanted to see others for one day. Yeah.
We just came for an apero on the sun from Slovenia.
We're from Vienna for a family trip. My grandparents, my mother and my brother, and we are just strolling around now.
And where are you in Trieste?
There was a cafe in San Francisco. It's called Trieste Cafe. So I've just always wanted to come and see what's going on here.
And where are you from?
Florida. I grew up in New York.